Aloe Vera Gel has multitasking properties packed with vitamins and antioxidants that works as healing agents. Its gel is high in water content that makes it an immaculate hydrator. So today we will discuss about the 7 uses of aloe vera gel. The first one is under eye treatment. You can use aloe vera under your eyes and leave it overnight to help with dark circles. It is rich in antioxidants which hydrates the skin under your eyes without risking the thinner and sensitive skin around the eyes. The second one is Soothe irritated skin. The aloe vera gel containing potential antioxidants like vitamin A, C and E minimizes the free radical damages to the skin due to sun and soothes. And third, after shaving, aloe vera gel's antibacterial, antioxidant and cooling properties help to heal, soothe and cool the micro wounds in our skin after shaving and waxing. And 4, hair styling gel. To keep our hair healthy and hydrated, aloe vera gel can be used on damp hair. And 5, hair conditioner. Aloe vera gel can simply be applied on the hair after washing it and have to wait for 10 minutes before washing it out. Coconut or almond oil can also be mixed with that gel to give a boost. And 6, it can be used as primer. It helps to minimize the visibility of pores under your makeup, forming a protective layer. At last, moisturizer. Aloe vera is an excellent hydrator having 98% of water which can be applied as a moisturizer for some instant and long-lasting hydration, or can be used as a face mask to help soothe irritated skin and give a fresh glow. That's all the beneficial uses of aloe vera gel. Thanks for watching.